So, so now we just found the boat. So come here. But we need to wait for the boat to come for Avani plus Riverside. It's gonna drop. And these are like, oh, look, macaroons. Could we have? Could we?
It's so expensive.
How much?
75 baht per piece.
Okay, no.
Where is Ate?
The boat entrance is right here. The boat entrance is here, guys. Just follow us. It's right here, and we're going. There's like a white tunnel that we will go through. Come on, guys. So, hi guys. We are really close to the boat, and we're like going through a tunnel. Now it's like a white thing. A white thing.
左转上2楼左转，洗手间在上面。
So now we're just going inside the door. So that's out.
Yeah, she's right. That is out. This is out. This is entrance.
Yeah. So now we're going through the tunnel that I was telling you about. And yeah, it's white. Why? So now we're just going in the white tunnel. It's very wide. It's like a circle, but a half of a circle. And now we're just going through it. My sister's right there. I have to say hi. Now we're close to the boat. We just need to sit down. Okay, now we just need to walk forward. And here's like the little lake that we're gonna be going in the boat. It's the campfire. Now we're just gonna wait for every boat, and we're gonna look at the sign and do this. So, we're here, guys. We're just waiting. So now we'll go on the boat. So, there's a lot of people waiting. And yeah, they might gonna arrive any minute. And yeah, then we're gonna show you what we're gonna do now. So, my dad is having a meeting, like in his room. We need to call him to go in the room, or we just need to go to the people to get a card.